Hello everyone, welcome to Pixel Desk YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a simple and professional bill voucher in MS Excel. First, select the row where you want to place the company name. Go to the Home tab and click the Merge and Center. This will merge the selected cells and center the text. Now type Pixel Computer Zone. Next, select another row for the address. Again, click Merge and Center and type the address in the center. Now create a title for the voucher. Select a row, merge the cells and type the bill voucher in the center. On the left side of the voucher, write voucher number, customer name and address. To create an automatic line after these labels, select the cells and press Ctrl+1. Go to the number tab, choose custom, remove general and type alt into minus. Then click OK. Now whenever you enter text, a line will automatically appear after it. On the right side, write date. Next, create a table for the bill details. Add the following headings: serial number, product name, quantity, unit price and amount. This table will be used to enter all product information. After entering the products, calculate the total of the amount column and display it below the table. On the left side, write total amount in Word. Use the same method as before to create an automatic line by. Now move to the bottom section of the voucher. On the left side, write seller. Below it, write customer signature. On the right side, write seller signature. Finally, select a row at the bottom, click Merge and Center and type "Thank you for your purchase." Now let's give the voucher of a professional look. First, select the entire voucher, set the background color to white and apply an outside border around the whole voucher. Select the Pixel Desk Computer Zone title, increase the font size to 13 and change the font color to purple. Next, select the bill voucher heading, set the font size to 25, apply a dark blue background and change the font color to white. Now select the table headings, set the font size to 18, apply a dark blue background and change the font color to white. Select the total row and apply the same dark blue background and white font color to make it stand out. Finally, select "Thank you for your purchase" and apply a stylish font to make the voucher look even more attractive. That's it. We have successfully created a professional bill voucher in Microsoft Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, comment your thoughts and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.